writing equations. An equation is a number sentence with an equal sign. So in the past we've been dealing with just expressions, and those didn't have equal signs. But now we're dealing with equations, and equations always have equal signs. And hopefully you can see the connection right here. We got equation, looks like the beginning of equal. So equations have equal signs. Now when you are taking mathematical sentences and word problems and changing them into equations, it really helps to have a good grasp of the words that mean different operations. So addition, a lot of words mean addition. Sum, more than, total, those tell you that you're going to probably be using addition. Subtraction has a lot of keywords like difference, decreased by. Multiplication is times, product, twice. Specifically, twice means 2 times something. And there's also words for division, divided by, quotient, share equally. Once you get the hang of it, you won't need a table, but until you get really good at it, you might want to have a table of keywords that remind you of what operation you need to do. Write the word sentence as an equation. So read the sentence carefully, underline key parts, and break it up into pieces. So the sum of a number n and 7 is 15. Sum, if you remember from the table, is a keyword for addition. So we're going to be adding something. And it says the sum of a number, n, so n, and we're going to add it to 7. And is a keyword for the equal sign, 15. So we've written an equation. The sum of a number n and 7 is 15. The product of a number b and 5 equals 30. So underline the important words. Well, product's an important word. That tells it's going to be multiplication of a number b and 5. So we're going to multiply a number b and 5, and then the next keyword is equals. Equals 30. Now it's getting a little bit harder. We're dealing with a real-life situation here. After 2 rounds, 24 students are eliminated from the Columbia Academy Geography B. There are 36 students remaining. Write an equation to find the number of students that started the Geography B. So we don't know how many started. Let's have the number of students that started. Let's have that number be S for students that started. And since we don't know what that is. So now let's go back to the beginning. After 2 rounds, 24 students are eliminated. Eliminated wasn't in our table, but think about what that word means. Eliminated means that you get rid of something. So hopefully when you see the word eliminated, you think of subtraction. We have our starting number of students, and we eliminated minus 24 of them. And in the end, there are 36 students remaining. So we need to have equal to 36. We started with S students, we took away 24, and then we finished. We equal 36 remaining students. The robotics team raised a total of $1,800 from the school and Booster Club. The Booster Club donated $1,200. Write an equation to find the amount donated by the school. Total is a keyword for addition, so something is going to be added. And in this case, we know that the total, the final answer of that addition, is going to be $1,800. So 2 things need to be added to make that total of $1,800. The Booster Club donated $1,200, so we know that that's part of it. So $1,200. Write an equation to find the amount donated by the school. we want to find out how much their donation is. So let's use that as D. The amount they donated is D. And we'll put that in there. So $1,200 plus the donation by the school equals $1,800. Now there's more than one way to write an equation. So if maybe you wrote $1,800 minus the amount from the booster club equals the amount donated by the school. That would be another way to write this equation. It's going to tell you the same information. So there is more than one right answer.